Reflexology is a treatment that offers a hands-on, gentle approach to creating movement within the energetic body where qi exists. Through proper movement and pressure, or pulling and sometimes tracing, reflexology can bring qi back into balance. Reflexology relies upon the ideas of Eastern medicine, specifically the concepts found in Chinese medicine, meridian lines, zone theory, and the concept of qi, which is life force energy. A reflexologist offers this treatment to anyone who wishes to receive the massage-like therapy on their feet, hands, or ears. Thanks to reflexology being rooted in Eastern medicine, it can offer benefits beyond the physical body. The qi moved in reflexology exists in different realms in muscles, bones, and connective tissues. While you might feel more immediate shifts in your physical body, the benefits run much deeper than that. The treatment considers your entire body. For example, your anxiety might be linked to your digestive problems.